Preparing your LifeWave X₂O for transport. Remove and empty the reservoir. Place container under dispensing outlet. Go to Settings and System Drain. Turn system off when draining is complete. Open filter compartment. Place drain hose into sink. Turn the primary valve to flush. Return valve to normal. Turn the secondary valve to flush. With the secondary valve in flush, remove the secondary filter. Place upside down to drain and return valve to normal. Remove the primary filter lid and the filter media. Towel dry the housing and let air dry overnight. Reinstall the filter media and the lid. Secure dry secondary filter in compartment and protect using bubble wrap. Repack in the original box with the foam inserts. Missing the original packaging? Contact customer support for a replacement kit.